This is KTN Prime. Now, a team of media professionals that will select the new Media Council of Kenya board has been unveiled. The 13-member team was unveiled by ICT CS Eliudowalo and comprises representatives from media associations, the private sector, government and academia. The ICT CS urged the panel to be objective and select a board that will work for the good of the industry. The Ministry of ICT said it would like to see the media sector players enjoying a harmonious relationship.
Okay, editors. Okay. We found it imperative that we embark on this exercise because we had a lot of rifts between the Media Council itself and the Editors Guild and other players in the industry. As you are aware, the very genesis of the Media Council was to ensure that we have a self-regulatory mechanism to enable the media regulate itself. Because hitherto that there had been complaints that the government was perhaps interfering with the independence of the media. So it is basically an organ or entity of the media houses themselves. And in that regard, it is an entity that should be as impartial as possible to ensure that the media is self-regulatory without interference from any quarter, the government inclusive. So as we embark on this process, I want to urge the panel that will oversee this exercise to be as impartial as possible, because this exercise is meant to give us an output that serves the interest of the media.
A heavy contingent of security officers has been deployed to train